Meaning of Happiorth.
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 Happiorth. The word Happiorth is a shortened version of halfpennyworth, which means a small amount or quantity. It is a British term that originated in the 17th century, and was commonly used by people who wanted to purchase goods that cost less than a penny. The term is still in use today, although it is considered quite dated. Overall, Happiorth is a colloquialism that denotes a small and insignificant amount, often used to express disappointment or disapproval in a situation where one has received very little of something.